Okay, well, I thought this was a really cool idea. I used my art projector to paint this butterfly on a rock, and so far it's turning out really good. I'm just tracing the butterfly, and this is what it looks like after it's traced onto the rock. And now I'm going to start painting. So I've got part of the butterfly painted. Here we go. It's not a very big rock, it was actually kind of small. I think this was one of the river rocks that I found. Really easy to paint on. I used acrylic paint. Alright, and I'm just gonna do some touch-ups here, and not really touch-ups, actually adding to the butterfly. It wasn't really the color that I wanted it to be, but it actually turned out really good, I think. I'm not really the best at painting butterflies, but I like the way it's turning out so far. Adding some more color and layers. So far it's looking really good. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do with this rock. I want to give them away or leave them in places. I have a few that I've painted so far. Just adding some little details. I think I kept changing my mind like I usually do. Now I'm adding in some flowers. I definitely kept changing my mind about how I wanted to paint the flowers. They were supposed to be white flowers, but I'm also not very good at painting flowers. I changed my mind right here and decided to paint them like a pink color, and I had added some red. Couldn't even tell you what kind of flower they were. And I kept just changing my mind. I really just wanted some vibrant colors on this rock. I wanted it to stand out. Because when I'm done painting them, I end up spraying them with a clear coat of like a sealant, because if they're left outside, it would protect them, the paint from coming off when it's raining. Add some more details. A few more touches. I couldn't decide what to do here. I just kept adding to it, changing my mind. I'm liking the color combination so far. I did end up liking the way the flowers turned out. Looks pretty good to me. And I added some finishing touches here. And this is the end result of the butterfly rock. I really do like how it turned out, and thank you for watching.